And here's the easiest way to make glowing effect in Photoshop. Create a new blank layer and select the blank layer and click on effects, select blending options. Here first of all select inner glow, and inner glow you have to select white color, and you have to put all of these options just like the way I've added here, and then go to outer glow, click on color and select a glowing color. I'm selecting red color, and blend mode select here linear edge add, and opacity give 46%, and here spread give 10%, size 250 pixels, and range give 60%, and then just click on OK. And then from tool panel select the brush tool, and you can change the brush size just like this. All you have to need, go ahead and add glowing effect just like this. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.